exemplary.
Exactly what we wanted.
High standard, very good.
Very good. Superb.
Very pleased. Fantastic and brilliant.
I can't praise them enough.
They were marvellous, really.
Helped the school immensely.
A&S helped me as project manager specifically a great deal.
It's not only because they were very, very competitive on their price, but also because they had been so good at communicating with us.
It's fantastic quality and the school are really pleased with it.
The canopy they built 7 or 8 years ago has stood the test of time.
They were very professional, very friendly.
Very communicative and very helpful.
We were delighted when we first saw it.
I am very pleased with the overall quality of the design and the construction.
Very professional. They did us exactly as we asked and gave us great suggestions.
I would definitely recommend A&S Landscape.
We would certainly recommend or use A&S Landscape again.
It's about getting the right quality for your school, and A&S Landscapes definitely gave that to us.
I would definitely recommend A&S Landscape to other schools.
All in all, absolutely delighted with the product we received. I would heartily recommend A&S Landscapes to you.
They do as they promised.
I would recommend them, definitely.
It's exceeding my expectations.
We've been delighted with the project and we think the proof is in the pudding.
I would recommend A&S Landscapes to anybody.
A&S Landscapes are the people to go for.
Without doubt, I would recommend A&S Landscape to other schools.